Yes friends, as part of this session, let us understand about member level access modifiers and modifiers. Okay, what is this member level? Member level, it can be a member of a class, can be a data member, it can be a method. A data member means variable. Okay, member means what? A variable, or other one is what? Method. Okay, now let us discuss them. Okay, what is the member level? Okay, member level access modifiers and modifiers. Okay, modifiers. Okay, with this we are going to complete this access modifiers and modifier declarations. Okay, and the most important thing we guys in order to understand WOOP concept, if you do understand these declarations along with WOOP concepts, then only you can feel very comfort in in coming technologies of Java, like what? Hibernate, string, Spring, web services, whatever. If it is like big data, whatever it is, you have to be good in WOOP plus these declarations, then only you can be good in them. Okay, otherwise definitely there will be some trouble, a little trouble will be there. Okay, in order to feel comfort there, you have to be good in, and if you want to be much stronger, then you have to even be good in other concept. What is that? Interface, a small concept, this interface. Okay, we'll discuss after this access modifiers of member level and that is member level access modifiers and modifiers. We are going to discuss this interface. Okay, now let us talk about the first access modifier to a particular member within a class. What is that means? We all know that one. What is that? Public. Okay, it is what? A modifier or an access modifier. It is strictly a access modifier. Okay, what it is? It is a access modifier. It is not the modifier. Okay, what is this? It is a access modifier. Okay, it is a access modifier. We have seen this access modifier public with respective to class in earlier sessions. Please try to remember that one. Okay, if you didn't get, please try to go and update in that session. Of course, it will be very simple thing, not much tricky things were existing there. Okay, it is so simple thing that then what is there with respect to the members, which twist is there, which tricky thing is there to make note by ourselves. Simple trick, please try to observe here. Simple one. What is that means? I'll let you know. Okay, simple thing. If you want to access, okay, if you want to access any member from outside the package, from outside the package, then it should be as what? Public. We have seen that one. If a class is declared as public, then in which places or at which places you can do access within the package, within the package, and from outside the package, anywhere, right? The same thing is applicable even with this member level, even with these members. Okay, if a member is declared as public, means you can do access that one within the package, and you can do access that one from outside the package, anywhere. Getting? Then what is the twist here? Simple twist. What is that means? Let me go with this first. Okay, if a member, member is declared as public, then we can access. Most important thing is what? Access. What is this access, mister? What is this access? We are having technically a different meaning for this access. This for the guys who are not having knowledge. I hope you are having the knowledge about this access technical meaning. Okay, if you didn't, please try to update, no issues. Okay, I hope you guys are having the knowledge in this one. Thing is what we are just updating you. Okay, please try to observe here. Access means number one, printing. Okay, if you are accessing a data member, it gives the sense as what you're printing. If it is a method, okay, if it is a method, then it gives the sense as what? Calling. Okay, reusing the method implementation. Getting it is with respect to the data members. Data members means what? Means what? Variables. Okay, variables. We can do spell that one also in other way as what? Variables. Okay, now what is this? Calling functions or methods. Okay, calling methods. Another one is what? With respect to the data members, directly you can perform some operations, whatever the operation it is, with respect to the operators. Okay, if you do perform such operations by accessing any of the data member available at other class, is also called as what? Accessing. If you're getting those data member values, it is also called as what? Accessing. Okay, what is that? Performing some arithmetic operations. Okay, I hope this will give a clear idea about this access to you. Okay, now what is this? If a member is declared as public, then we can access it within the package and outside the package without any restrictions. Okay, then we can access it within the package and outside the package without any restrictions. Yes, mister, you have said one twist. What is that twist? Simple twist. Try to observe here. First, you have to check the visibility of class. If class is having an accessibility outside the package, then only you can do access a member. Please try to observe here. This oral terminology will be converted to the technical thing later. Okay, a bit later I will do that one. Try to observe here. But the class visibility is must, otherwise we cannot access. Getting? Otherwise we cannot do access. What is that means? Please try to observe here. I am at D directory. Currently our required data member is available at some other OS directory, and one more very important is it should be in package directory structure but not in OS directory structure. If it is available at OS directory structure, no access modifier will work properly. Only few will work. That too, what is that? Only private will work. Other three modifiers will not work properly. I will show to you even that one with proof of execution. Okay, observe that one. Okay, now what is that thing that we are having? com.it. It is what? Package directory structure. This is what? OS directory structure. No need to worry. We are going to see one full plus way of example. Okay, observe here. Okay, within this IT thing that we are having one class A. Okay, now public int I equals to 999, and now try to observe here. Everything is in front of you. This is called as analysis and the logic. Okay, even the logic also you have to improve without to write your code, you are not recommended to put much thing in your brain. That's the secret of writing logic. Thing is what? You have to manage the thing which is there in front of you. or in front of your paper. Okay, now try to observe here. In order to access this public data member from outside the package, if I do call, think that I'm having a class as what? Class driven. Okay, now public static void main. Okay, now how to access this particular instance data member from outside the package? And of course it is what? Instance data member. I want to access this one from outside the class. How we can do access? What we have to do? We have to create object. Okay, now SOP new, what is that? Class A constructor dot I. If you do access in this way, first what I have said that if it is public, you can do access that from outside the package. No restrictions. We are accessing this one, this I data member from outside the package, but visibility of class is must. What is the visibility of class? That is the accessibility of class here. It is up to the package level. Observe here. By default, what is the modifier here? I have made as a notice to you in earlier session itself. If there is no modifier, then which modifier will be applicable to them? For a particular class or for a particular data member, which modifier will be there to them? And of course not for the data members, for a class. What it is? Which modifier will be available to a particular class if I don't write any access modifier? And for a method, what is the modifier? Simple thing, it is what? Default. We have come across that one, and we don't have any word to represent default. That's why what we are doing, we are representing that one within the anchor tag, friends. Okay, as what? Default, right? I hope you get this one. Okay, now it is what? Default. We have discussed this one earlier itself. What is that? If a class is declared as public, means you can access that one within the package from outside the package. If a class is declared as a default, means within the package, but not from outside the package. Now observe here, this class itself not having a visibility or accessibility from outside the package. How can you do access this data member or a member? It is invalid. It is what? Invalid. It will give compile time error. It will give what? Compile time error here. So in order to access this one, what you have to do? You have to make this class as what? Public. Okay, then only you can do access that one. This is the only one twist, sure bit for your interview. Okay, if you go for any exam, they will write the code and they will give the directory structure. If you go for any product based company, they will give such type of questions. Okay, and their questions will be always related to the analysis and logic. Okay, they don't give any code just based on syntax. They will give each and everything based on logical skills. Okay, now so if this is the condition, what is the case? You will get compile time error. In this case, you will get what, friends? You will get compile time error as what? Simple compile time error. What is that means? What is that? Com dot fully qualified name of this class. What is the fully qualified name of that class? Com dot it dot a. Why com dot it dot a means? This was the package directory structure. It will be having, observe here, we have seen this one in package statement. Package com dot it, getting? Package com dot it. Okay, now observe here, in order to access this data member, we have discussed all of these things in earlier session. How to resolve a OS directory structure? How to resolve OS directory structure? Observe here, if I do compile this piece of code, okay, we have to give the knowledge about OS directory structure, getting? OS OS directory structure and package directory structure. Observe package directory structure knowledge also must be given to the compiler and for the JVM. How we can use that one? Important thing is what? How we are going to make this one? Always OS directory structure can be given or can make understand to compiler and for the JVM by using what? Class path. What? By using what? Class path. This can be intimated to the OS by using what? Class path setting. Okay, and this can be intimated to compiler and for the JVM by using what? We can resolve this package directory structure by what? Import statement. Getting import statement, very important. Okay, import statement. Okay, import statement, that can be implicit import statement or that can be explicit import statement. Any one statement you can do use. Now try to observe here. Let me put, what is that? Let me put import statement first here. Okay, import com dot it dot a. Okay, com dot it dot a. Okay, and of course, okay, com dot it dot a. Okay, now observe here how to compile this one. Of course, by setting class path we have to compile. If we do compile here, it will give compile time error to us. Why this is not public? Still it's having visibility just up to that package. Observe here, friends. Observe here the most tricky thing where we can fall in pit. Okay, of course you guys are having knowledge in this one. Just try to update yourself so that you can feel very confident even at interviews also. Okay, okay, now if you do, how to first compile? Let us see how to compile that one. Okay, which one you have to compile here? This code or this code? Let me know which code you have to compile. This code? No, this code. You are accessing the data member from outside the package. So this code should get compiled by us. How to compile that? Observe. Java C. First we can do compile that source code as what? Think that I have saved this entire Java code with name as what? Name as driven.java. Okay, and think that this entire class is saved with name as what? a.java. Okay, a.java. Now how to compile that particular driven.java file? You have to put source file link.java. Now observe here. Let me put what? Driven.java. But you are having one of the element called a, which is not available within this directory, that is within the D directory. It is available where? Within the OS directory structure and within the package directory structure com it. There it is available. Getting? There it is available. How to make available that one to compiler and JVM? By using what? OS directory structure can be make available to compiler by using what? Class path setting. Okay, hyphen cp. What is that? C. Getting? C. Now coming to package directory structure, you have to put com.it. No, you should not put. That package directory structure will get resolved by using import statement. Please try to make note of this one. Okay, note of this one. This is the tricky thing. Okay, okay. Now observe here. Okay, observe here. If I do run this particular, compile this particular piece of code, it will give compile time error to us as what? Com dot fully qualified name of this class a, com dot it dot a. Okay, t dot a is not public. It's not public within package name is what? It's not public within com dot it package. Okay, package cannot be accessed, okay, cannot be accessed from outside package, okay, from outside the package. This will be the compile time error, okay. Sure question if you go for, and of course if you go for big data like Hadoop or Android, there the class path settings, all of these accessibilities will make you to get trouble, okay. Please try to update here itself, so that will be very simple to you, okay. Now how to avoid this compile time error? Simple thing, what you are recommended to do here, just make this class as what? Public, finished, that's it, okay. If you do compile this one, once again no compile time error, it will get compiled successfully. And how to run this one? Important thing, how to run this one, we have seen that one. JVM is what? Multi-level dependency checker, okay, whereas compiler is not multi-level dependency checker. What is this multi-level dependency checker? You have to be good in development unit, okay, that we have discussed, okay. Of course still it didn't come, I'll discuss that one, okay. Just for instance, try to observe me, okay, try to observe me, okay. What is this? How to run, okay, how to run? You have to put Java, and what you have to do, you have to put main method corresponding class name. Observe, main method corresponding class name. What is main method corresponding class name? Driven. Just put what? Driven, okay. And now I said that JVM is what? Multi-level checker, okay. Now you have to make available this driven class path end, and you have to make available about this OS directory structure element A, that is class A, available within OS directory structure C and within com.it package. How to make available that one to the JVM? Once again, class path. Observe here, once again what? Class path -cp. What is that? First, current working directory. What is that? D. Getting? Other one, this OS directory structure C. Getting? So if you do run this piece of code, it will give the output as what? Double line. Output will be as what? Triple nine. Of course you can do write this -cp, instead of D you can put what? Dot operator also, which represents what? Current working directory, okay. It represents what? Current working directory. Before we go and test this one, I want to make note of one thing to you. What is that means? Observe here, okay. First let me go and execute and compile this piece of code to you, so that you can feel very confident in this member level access modifier called public, okay. One important twist is what? But the class visibility is must. Of course terminology may get changed, meaning is same, technical logical meaning is what? Same, okay. Observe, okay. Observe here, let us go and compile and execute it, okay. Simple thing, observe friends, okay.